Is it? I wonder if it's when the Fury happens. Because the sound does get a little weird in the game, too. It kind of has a weird, like, almost echoey sound to it. Like, nothing is crisp anymore. It's kind of got almost like a humming sound that overrides all of it. Probably about the only really annoying thing that I find in this. I do not know if there's a way to turn that off. Yep. Yeah, that's that Fury mode when you go into that. It makes it sound like that for me as well. It's just... Oh, so on the stream it sounds like it's cutting out. For me, it just gets really weirdly